The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Lamb County in northwestern Texas until 8:15 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 5 miles northeast of Sudan, or 8 miles south of Earth, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Earth, Trailton, and Spring Lake. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.